Hey guys, Fred Up here. So this is a newly released Samsung Galaxy A03S, a very modest entry-level device from Samsung that cost only 72,000 naira or $175 for the 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage that I have here. There's also a version with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage that goes for 64,000 naira or $155. So how good is it? Let's find out. By the way, I'll be giving this smartphone to one lucky subscriber, so stick around till the end to know how you can enter. Now let's start with the unboxing experience. When you open the box, you're greeted with an envelope that carries a quick start guide and the warranty card. Next, you get a device wrap in plastic that carries basic highlights about the device. Moving on, we've got a 15-watt fast charger, a USB Type-C charging cable and the earpiece. And that's pretty much it. If you notice, there is no case or screen protector included in the box. So moving back to the device, the Samsung Galaxy A03S is a device with almost no noticeable difference from its predecessor, which was the A02S. The only noticeable difference might be the adoption of the side-mounted fingerprint scanner. Outside that, every other thing remains the same. There's nothing groundbreaking about the design here. To be fair, this is not a device you want to buy if you want something that looks so beautiful. It has a simple design that is made from plastic, and the matte black color that I have here is just okay. On the right side of the device, we've got the power button and the volume rocker keys. The power button also serves as a fingerprint scanner, and I have to say that the fingerprint scanner on here is very fast and responsive 99% of the time. To the left, we've got a SIM tray that can take dual nano SIM and a micro SD card. At the bottom, we've got a 3.5mm headphone jack, the earpiece, a USB Type-C charging port, and the speaker grill. On top, we have another microphone. Moving on to the rear of the device, we've got a triple camera setup with a flashlight. So the Samsung Galaxy A03S comes with a 6.5-inch 720p IPS display that outputs a pixel density of 270 and up to 400 nits of peak brightness. The display also houses a 5-megapixel selfie camera. The display is decent at best, and it is okay for watching YouTube videos and general media consumption. However, sunlight readability is not that great. It is not the sharpest or brightest display I've seen, but it can help you explore your creativity. Speaking of creativity, let's talk about our sponsor for today's video, which is Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of inspiring classes for creators and aspiring people who want to explore new skills and take their creative journey to the next level. You can never miss out on anything because Skillshare offers classes for web development, graphics design, photography, film and video production, and there's something that will always suit your need. For instance, I just started a new class with Benjamin Percy on a topic, written expense. How to write stories that thrill any genre. It is a class that can help develop a plot that will help keep your audience wanting more. One good thing about Skillshare is that the videos don't show any ads because it is designed specifically for learning, which will allow you to focus more on your creative journey. If you're a creator or someone who's aspiring to become one, this is a great opportunity for you to click the link in the description and sign up immediately. Because Skillshare is sponsoring this video, so the first 1,000 people to use the link in the description will get a 1-month free trial of Skillshare membership with full access to all the curated classes. Make sure to check all the links in the video description, alright? Now let's continue with the rest of the video. The speaker on the Samsung Galaxy A03S is located at the bottom, and that's the only speaker available. It is a decent speaker for the price. It sounds okay, but a little tinny for my liking. Coming from the Samsung Galaxy A52, the speaker on here is underwhelming. About performance, the Samsung Galaxy A03S comes with a MediaTek Helio P35 octa-core CPU paired with 4GB of RAM, 64GB of internal storage, One UI 3.2 on top of Android 11, and a 5000 mAh battery. Apart from the battery, the specs on paper doesn't sound too interesting considering what the competition has to offer at this price point. On the Geekbench test, the Samsung Galaxy A03S scores 174 on a single core score and 901 on a multi-core score. Then on the Antutu benchmarks, it has a total score of 100,671. I have to say that at this price point, I have seen devices that does better than this. The good thing is that for basic tasks, it can handle it like a charm. Listen, I said basic tasks, alright? Gaming is actually very okay as long as you keep all graphics settings to low or medium, as you can see here. Gaming graphics animation is not that great, but gameplay is okay with some micro jitters. If you have too many background apps running, you will notice a hit in performance. But most of the time, it is very responsive for web browsing and basically basic tasks. One of the reasons this device feels snappy, even with its mediocre specs, has to be the optimization that Samsung has done to One UI. The One UI is well polished and very responsive. It comes with minimal bloatware and basically no ads if you turn it off during the initial setup. So the Samsung Galaxy A03S comes with a decent 5000 mAh battery with a longer endurance. The device can comfortably last for more than a day on a single charge. This really contributes to one of the few reasons you should consider this device. Then when it's time to juice it up, the 15-watt charger took about 2 hours 40 minutes to charge from 0 to 100%, which is not too impressive. Okay, now let's talk about the camera. The Samsung Galaxy A03S comes with a 30 megapixels main camera, a 2 megapixels macro lens, and another 2 megapixels depth sensor. The selfie camera is just 5 megapixels, and that doesn't sound good at all. Images coming out of the A03 is decent at best, and to be honest, this is not a device you really want to buy if camera is your main concern. However, the images are okay and they have some details too. Take a look at it and tell me what you think about them in the comment section below. It can also shoot video in 1080p at 30 frames per second, and there is no form of image stabilization, but the footage is still sharp with fine details. Hey guys, so this is the front-facing camera of the Samsung Galaxy A03S. I'm shooting in 1080p 30 frames per second, which is the highest resolution this device can go. What do you guys think about the video quality and the audio quality? Let me know in the comment section below. Alright, so in conclusion, I've said that the most noticeable drawbacks of the Samsung Galaxy A03S has to be the not so great display, a not so satisfying images especially from the front camera, and the underpowered processor. All of this is to be expected, but you don't have to overlook what the competition has to offer, like the Poco M3 Pro that I reviewed recently, Redmi Note 10, and the Tecno Spark 7P. Those devices offers better specs and excellent performance than the Samsung Galaxy A03S. However, what Samsung is really offering you here, which you won't get elsewhere, is a very decent software, brand recognition, at least you have to pay for that, and a future software update. For most people, they'll be totally fine with this device. Performance is decent for most basic functions, and you won't be too disappointed if you purchase the 4GB variant that I have here. So now back to the giveaway. I'll be giving the Samsung Galaxy A03S to one lucky subscriber. All you have to do is follow me on Instagram, and that is it. The giveaway will last for only 7 days, and the winner will be announced on Instagram, so make sure you go follow me on Instagram. I'll have links to my Instagram handle in the description box as well as the one displayed here. So that is it guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and also drop your comments. Let me know what you guys think about this device in the comment section below. Thanks so much again for watching, and I'll talk to you in the very next one. Bye bye.